Why do we always buy gold? Imagine you have some money to protect. Not a fortune, just money you've worked hard to earn. You turn on the news. You scroll through social media. You talk with friends. And again, you hear the same advice. Buy gold. For many people, gold feels safe. And there's a reason for that. Gold has been trusted for thousands of years. Ancient traders carried it across deserts. Merchants exchanged it in busy markets. Kings stored it in royal vaults. Empires built their wealth around it. Even today, central banks keep large reserves of gold. For generations, gold has represented security. But here's an interesting question. Does something become the best choice simply because it's popular? Not always. Every investment has strengths, and every investment has risks. The world runs on more than gold. Take copper, for example. Copper powers electric vehicles. It helps build power grids. It connects homes, businesses, and entire cities. Renewable energy projects depend on it. Modern technology depends on it. And industries use it every single day. This doesn't mean copper is better than gold, and it doesn't mean gold is better than copper. The point is much simpler. Good decisions start with understanding, not assumptions. Many people invest by following the crowd. They see what others are buying. They hear success stories. They worry about missing out. And sometimes they make decisions without asking enough questions. But smart decisions often begin with curiosity. What am I missing? What are the alternatives? What are the risks? What are the opportunities? The more you learn, the more clearly you can see. Learn, compare, think, then decide. Because every financial journey begins with a decision, and every decision starts somewhere. Sometimes it starts with a question. Sometimes it starts with a small idea. And sometimes it starts with a single penny. Your financial journey begins today, and PennyBox will be your guide on this journey. You can follow along as a subscriber to access the exclusive insights and approaches I'll be sharing only with my subscribers. See you soon.